start, is it? Tilly is already attacking the Christmas decorations and they're not even up yet. Tilly! You are so naughty. You're not going to climb the tree, are you? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. You have joined us at the perfect time because today I'm going to be decorating my main Christmas tree, which, oh my god, I can't. I've been waiting all year for this very moment. Decorating my Christmas tree is potentially my favourite thing in the entire world. It's the fact that I get to share my favourite time of the year with you guys, which is just incredible. You guys know how excited I've been for these Christmas videos, and now they're here. I'm literally on cloud 9. I would say I feel like a kid at Christmas, but I am a kid at Christmas. So you know the drill. If you haven't already, pause the video, go get your favourite drink, grab some snacks, get under your blanket, light some Christmas candles, and I really hope you enjoy this video. So if you didn't see my Christmas decoration haul yesterday, I will link that in the description box below. It's just to kind of let you know where everything is from that I'm going to decorate my tree with. Link as much as I can possibly find in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Anyway guys, get cozy and enjoy. I am so excited. I hope you love it. I love you all so much. Yay! Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. First things first, I'm going to get cozy myself, so I'm lighting my Christmas Yankee candles. I've made myself a coffee, and I've got a little Christmas tradition where every single year when I decorate my Christmas tree, I watch Love Actually. It is the best Christmas film, mind you. That being said, so is The Grinch, and Nativity, and Elf. Oh, and Home Alone. Okay, I love them all. But I watch Love Actually whilst I decorate my tree. So I actually assembled my tree and popped all the lights on last night. I find this is the part that always takes forever, and I didn't want it to be boring for you guys. Instead of tinsel, I like to use feather boas because my tree is already flocked. I find this just makes it so much fluffier, so much fuller, and it really just adds a little bit of texture. I got most of my boas from Poundland a few weeks ago, but if you can't find them in there, I've linked in the description box below some of the cheapest feather boas I could find. Depending on the size of your tree, on mine I'm going to add about 8 boas evenly, and then I'm going to pull a few lights just through the boas so it doesn't make the tree look dull. So just try and weave the boas in and out of the lights. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I want to hear, and the stars above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes. Ta-da! The feather bow is done. I literally love the way this looks. Now it's time to add a little bit more texture. I picked up these white glittery garlands from the range and then I cut them in half. I'm now just going to add about 4 or 5 of these in between the boas. I think when the lights are on, it makes it so glittery, just add in something else. Now it's time to start piling on all the baubles. I add a lot of baubles to my tree. As I have an assortment of different baubles, I like to start with kind of one colour at a time. So I'll go for maybe like whites and then golds and then pinks. I also do it in size order as well. So my bigger baubles will go towards the bottom of my tree and the middle of my tree. And then as I work my way up, I'll try and find the smaller baubles just so it doesn't overcrowd the tree.
So once I've added all my normal baubles, I will then go ahead and add my more special ones, like my feature baubles, which I'm not gonna lie, I put these on, move them about 50 times, and then they end up in the place I put them first. They never ever look right until the tree is finished. Next, I'm going to add some white glittery branches to the tree. This makes such a difference, especially at night. They just look so sparkly. I got these from the range last year. I'll try and find some similar to link below. I try and push these as far as I can into the tree, and then I literally fiddle with them for ages to try and make them look like part of the tree. Does that make sense? I'm not gonna lie, this took me a long time to make them look right, but it was completely worth it.
In my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
So for the tree topper, I bought this garland from my local garden centre called Van Hague, which is literally winter wonderland. I then just added a piece of ribbon to the top, and I've attempted to make a rather poor bow. I think I might buy a bigger one. What do you guys think? I think it will look better, but I love the way this garland sits at the top of the tree and it kind of just flows down.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew.
You guessed it, more baubles, because you can never have enough baubles. I try and add one to every single branch because I like to just have a lot of baubles, okay? I can't justify it.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on.
So for my tree skirt, this is actually just a white faux fur throw from B&M. It was about £10, but I feel like it works really well. I feel like you could also use a rug or something like that. Like, it doesn't always have to be a tree skirt, so I'm just going to tuck this around my tree.
When the Christmas spirit's all over town, I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door.
We have it. 2018 Christmas tree is now decorated. I am staring at it now and I'm literally so unbelievably happy with it. What did you guys think? Leave a comment below, I would love to know your thoughts. So this is part 1 of 2 Christmas tree decorating videos. So I'm going to be doing another one up in the beauty room that will go live on Thursday the 8th. I can't even explain my level of excitement for these Christmas videos. Like, this is not normal. It's not normal to be this excited. Oh, that's the end. can we do it all again? Should I take it all down and do it again? A bit bittersweet, isn't it? I've been so excited to put it up, and now it's up, I'm like, oh, I want to do it again. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been, I would say, my favourite video to film this year so far. I mean, there's a lot more Christmas videos coming, so if you like your Christmas videos, you might want to hit subscribe, turn the notification bell on, all of that jazz, because I have got a hell of a lot of Christmas videos coming right your way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be on Tuesday at 5. Bye!
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.